This hair is life-saving.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no, I won't be acting nice. So baby, go on.
Wow! Look at this! Dreadlocks. Came in this plastic bag, and there are 2 cap wig. Ooh, guys! In here, lashes and some how do they call this, things to decorate your hair. Wow, guys! Dreadlocks. Ooh, dreadlocks! Dreadlocks wig! Wow! This is so long. Let me stand up so that you guys can see the length. See how long this is. This is so long. And look at the dread. Look at this. This is so neat. See the scarf. Let me remove this. Look at the inside. And there is a net at the back. So if you want to pack it ponytail, you can glue this down. Okay? It has some holes, so it's breathable. When you wear this, you're not going to feel heat, especially this summer. See this? There's hole inside. I like that. And they added some combs to secure it to your scalp, to your head, scalp or head. See, that's the inside. And there is this adjustable strap. Is attached, okay, it's inbuilt. You see that, secured, and this is so tight, firm. And this is the front. Came with baby hair. Let me wear this and see the color with my scalp. If it is the same shade, I'm not going to do anything to it, but if it's not the same, I'm going to spray hairbrush legs on it. Just look at the under. See how neat this work is. This is so neat. You see this? So if you've been longing for dreadlocks and you're unable to do it, just grab this. This is life-saving. Wow, just look at how neat. This is so neat. The work is really neat. So this hair is 100% Japan made synthetic hair. So I'm going to leave the link on the description, so if you're interested, you can check that out. All the information about this wig will be on the description box. If you like dreadlocks, you will like this. Look at the tip. See this? Guys, see it on my head. So I don't need to bleach the knots. I'll just spray airbrush legs on it. So you see the scalp. So I'm going to spray this airbrush legs on it because I don't have the time to bleach knots. So with the help of that, I'm okay. Just look at how long it is. So let me spray that on it, then I'll be right back. So guys, I just sprayed the airbrush legs on it. You can see changes the color. There's the color of origin, and this after. I'm going to dry it. Okay guys, see the difference after I put the airbrush legs. You can see that now it's close to my skin tone and it's center part. So these are the baby hair. So we're going to glue this down. Let me cut the lace from it. Let's see the center part. You see that it's so neat. Wow. All right, let me cut the lace from it. So first cut here. So I don't want to cut the whole of the lace. You see that I give little gap. See, I don't want to cut it to this level, so I gave little gap from here. Okay, let me try and glue this down. Okay, let's bring this down. Down. Alright. I'm happy. You see the way I cut the lace, not up to this side. I cut it a little, you can see. Now you see how it blends well, because I've done one of these videos, one of this braided hair before. The one I did before this one, I made a mistake, so I now went to cut it up to this line. See, so it wasn't good as I really wanted it to be. I learned my lesson with that one. So with this one now, see, you see that it blends on my skin. Okay, so I'm going to cut the other side. So in case if you want to cut yours, make sure you leave little gap. Don't cut it to this level. Okay, you see this line, don't cut it to this line. Make sure you leave little gap for you to glue it down. And one thing I like about this hair is very light. It's lightweight. It's not heavy. I was thinking it would be heavy since it's locks, but it's not heavy at all.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed, cause baby I got you.
So you see, I'm going to cut it the way I cut this side. You see, I'm giving little gap and I'm cutting it zigzag. Okay, going inside and coming out. See the way I'm cutting it, I don't want it to be a straight line.
Beneath the disco lights, they can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not.
You see it? Because I don't want it to be a straight line. You guys can see that. It's kind of zigzag. I'm going to cut this side as well.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid.
Alright. So I'm going to glue this other side down.
Tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's a dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
So guys, look at it. I have glued it down. The thing I like about it is not that heavy. I was thinking it would be so heavy, but no, it's not. I'm happy that it's not heavy. Let's tie this down. Down. I wanna tie this down. Down. I wanna tie this down. So I'm going to lose it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got.
I'm gonna show that I got
Then see what we got. I'll use my bronzy powder on it.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. They always bring all the
I'll trim the baby hair.
nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. Not afraid to love. Not afraid to love. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's here. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember.
Oh, I'm in love with this. This is so beautiful. So guys, that is it. Wow.
We have another day, don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa.
One thing I like about this, look at the scalp. This is just like my hair, gosh.
When it feels like I'm lying every time.
So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. You see, this is so gorgeous for this summer. You don't need to sit for hours to do this, okay? You just install this and you're good to go, and it looks so natural. That's one thing I like about it. So I will leave the link on the description box. Check that out, please. Before you go, if you like it here, subscribe if you haven't done so, and also if you like this hair tutorial, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, ciao.
Bit steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no.